Hey, fourth grade, it's Miss Rayner here. Um, we're talking about conversion and measurement this week. Miss Jordan gave a really good video on metric conversion. I thought I would give you a short little tutorial on customary unit conversion. I'm going to start with a story I tell every year. It is about the land of gallon, so I want you to pay attention. Oh, if I can get my marker. Once upon a time, in the land of gallon, there lived 4 queens. And each queen had a prince and a princess. Each prince and princess had twin boys named Chuck and Charlie. And Chuck and Charlie were both 8 years old. So, I still use this visual today when I'm trying to figure something out. So, let's see. The queens are for quarts. So, there are 4 quarts in a gallon. The P stands for pints, and there are 8 pints in a gallon. And C stands for cup, and there are 16 cups in a gallon, and each cup is 8 ounces. Okay, so that's kind of how I keep up with gallons, quarts, all that kind of stuff. Now I'm going to show you a way that I like to teach how to answer some problems you're going to get. So let's say that you want to know how many quarts are in 7 gallons. So how many quarts are in 7 gallons? All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it up. 7 gallons equals how many quarts? So I know that gallon is a bigger unit, so I'm going to put a 1 under it. My gallon stays under my gallons. And then I know that 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. Notice how I've kept my gallon with my gallons, my quarts with my quarts. Now they're across from each other, the information I have, so I know I'm going to multiply. If I'm going from a larger unit and I'm converting it to a smaller unit, I'm going to multiply every time. So what is 7 times 4? 7, 14, 21, 28. So it's 28 quarts. Super easy way to do things. All right, let's do another one. I want to know if I have 9 gallons, how many quarts is that? So I'm going to set it up. My gallon is under my gallon. My quart is under my quarts. I know that the gallon is bigger, so I just put a 1 under there. And how many quarts are in 1 gallon? Once again, it's 4. They're across from each other, so think about cross multiplying. They're across. 9 times 4, so 9 gallons equals 36 quarts. Last one I'm going to do. And you can use this method with anything, feet, inches, yards, all kinds of stuff. I just chose to focus on the gallon. So let's see. One more. Okay. Let's say, actually I'm going to change it up a little bit. I want to know how many pints are in 2 gallons. So I have my 2 gallons equals blank pints. And if you think back, let's say there's 4 quarts, there's 8 pints. I'm going to put gallon here, gallon under gallon, pint under pint, and there is 8 pints in a gallon. Well, they're still across from each other. So what is 2 times 8? 16. So there are 16 pints and 2 gallons. Hope you guys are doing great. My class, if you have any questions, we can talk about it during our Zoom meeting. Thank you. Bye.